In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TikTok Ads library in just about 5 minutes. This fantastic tool can provide you with a treasure trove of insights and inspiration for your digital marketing efforts, especially if TikTok is a channel you're considering or already using. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be navigating the TikTok Ads library like a pro. First things first, let's start with how to access the TikTok Ads library. Open your web browser of choice and simply type in or click on the link to the TikTok Ads library. This takes you directly to the home page of the tool, setting the stage for your exploration. The interface is quite user-friendly, but don't let its simplicity deceive you. The depth of information available here is profound. Once you're in, the next pivotal step is choosing your ad target country. This feature is incredibly beneficial for marketers looking to target specific geographical locations. It allows you to tailor your research and glean insights that are most relevant to the region you're interested in. For instance, if you're planning to launch a campaign in Japan, you'll select Japan as your target country. This filters the ads you see to those targeted at the Japanese market, providing you with more specific insights and examples of what works in that region. After setting your target country, the next action you'll take is to click on the search option. This might seem like a trivial step, but it's your gateway to a vast array of TikTok ads. The search functionality is robust, allowing you to explore various ads that advertisers have run on TikTok. It's like a sneak peek into your competitors' strategies, or finding out the latest creative trends in your industry without having to leave the platform. Digging into the TikTok Ads library offers more than just the ability to watch ads. It's about understanding the landscape of digital advertising on one of the world's most engaging social media platforms. You can see firsthand what types of content are resonating with audiences in your chosen country, which can greatly inform your own content creation and advertising strategy. As you browse through the ads, take note of a few key aspects. Look at the creative elements used in successful ads. What kind of music, visuals, and call to action strategies are leveraged? How do these ads engage with their audience? Paying attention to these details can provide you with actionable insights that you can apply to your TikTok advertising campaigns. Moreover, considering the targeted country's cultural nuances is vital. What works in one region might not necessarily translate well in another due to cultural differences. This targeted approach in your research can significantly increase the effectiveness of your own campaigns by ensuring they resonate well with your intended audience. Lastly, I want to share a tip that can make a world of difference: keep an eye on trends. TikTok is a platform driven by trends, and the ads library can be a goldmine for identifying these trends early. By incorporating trending elements into your campaigns, you can increase your ads' chances of catching the eye of your target audience and achieving better engagement rates. To wrap up, effectively using the TikTok Ads library isn't just about watching ads, it's about analyzing them critically. It's about understanding the why behind an ad's success and figuring out how you can apply those lessons to your campaigns. Spend time with it, experiment with different searches, and most importantly, allow yourself to be inspired by the creativity and innovation you find. So go ahead, dive into the TikTok Ads library with these steps and tips in mind. Whether you're fine-tuning your current campaign or gathering ideas for your next big hit, the library is an invaluable resource waiting to be explored. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, share and subscribe for more insightful content on digital marketing tools and strategies. Happy TikToking!